Another quickly tips is on the slope when you working inside the animation editor. Inside the animation editor, I want to show you essentially another three things. One is the slope. The slope essentially is that, okay, that when you move it, for example, this keyframe up, you can see the curve change automatically, okay? You can also disable that if you press the right mouse button. You can see here you have set select slope to manual and set slope to automatically. To manual, you can see also my keyframe change from diamonds to square to the box essentially. You can see now it's working. And also you can go here and also that you can say to manual. If I move it, you can see it's not change this part of curve. Okay, this is should be good for some situation, but essentially for more situation you can have here setting the slope by automatically or with the equals. If you press equals from your keyboard, maybe you can setting also that automatically, and you can move it and you can see it's change also the curve here. Maybe that is very comfortable when you're working. Also for move the keyframes or the curve, you can have also the curve pulling. Curve pulling essentially you can only move the curve from all points you can have here. If I put here and can move the curve here, I don't have more control from that because I don't have more control on the handle. I have here we can see the another in the last example how to work with the curve in the animation editor. You can also remove the pulling. You can click here and move it that. This kind of handles or modification, I don't know how to say correctly, but this kind of handles is called Bezier. For setting by default another kind of create the construction curve, you can go to edit preference and you can go to animation. Inside the preference animation you can see you have default function is called Bezier, and you can choose for example constant, linear, easy in, easy out, and etc etc. But usually we leave the by default Bezier. It's very good because it's good for more situation.